Hey everyone! Today, I am going to show you how to unfriend someone on Facebook. Let's get started. First, open Facebook app on your mobile device. Now click on this icon located at the top of the screen. Now in the Friends section, you will see your Friends option. Click on it. Now just scroll through your list and find the profile of the person you'd like to unfriend. Once you've found them, tap on their profile. On their profile, you'll see the Friends button. Tap on that, and it'll bring up a few options. In the options, tap on Unfriend. A confirmation message will appear. Tap on Confirm. And that's it. If you refresh their profile, you'll see that the Add Friend option has replaced the Friends button. That means you've successfully unfriended them. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.